The Western Ghats, with its rich biological diversity and endemism, is a region of utmost global importance with respect to biodiversity conservation. The Western Ghats mountain range, running parallel to India's west coast, is more ancient than the Himalayas. This 1,600 kilometer long majestic range is a treasure trove of plants and animals. The wide range of rainfall and extremely varying microclimatic and topographic conditions in this region have resulted in the development of diverse forest ecosystems like dense evergreen rainforests, semi-evergreen forests, high-altitude shola forests, grassland, dry forests, and thorny shrubs. This is Mankulam Forest Reserve, a natural home to some of the most endangered species of plants and animals on the planet. Mankulam Forest, located in the western part of Kannandevan Hills in the Western Ghats, represents 100% conservation value by virtue of its various topographic conditions, species richness, endemism, and its ecological continuity with other high-value biodiversity zones. This was concluded in a study by the French Institute Pondicherry in 2020. Spanning over 90 square kilometers, it is one of the most exuberant reserves conserved on the Western Ghats. This proposed forest reserve is a natural ecosystem fostering rare species of flora and fauna. Mankulam Forest was part of an estate holding managed by erstwhile Kannandevan Hills Produce Company Limited. In 2007, about 90 square kilometers area of forest land was notified as proposed reserve forest for better protection. The Mankulam division shares boundaries with Ervikulam National Park, Malayarttu division, and Munnar division of Kerala Forest. This reserve is divided into Mankulam and Anakulam ranges. Surrounded by spectacular natural beauty, Mankulam's terrain is hilly with steeply sloping long ridges alternating with lush green valleys. Three major rivers named Melacheri, Kadimthri, Itachola flow from east to west. There are two prominent valleys formed by the rivers Melacheri and Kadimthri. This forest area is rich with wildlife resources and has breathtakingly amazing waterfalls, streams, and landscapes. The important peaks are Parvati Peak and Pambadam Para Peak. The highest point is Shangamala. The major waterfalls are Koriyalakuttu, Korivalankuttu, Kainagiri, and Perumbunakuttu. These waterfalls are magnificently beautiful throughout the entire monsoon season. This forest area has a unique habitat including shola grassland ecosystem, montane temperate evergreen forests, and tropical evergreen forests. The division is botanically rich with more than 1,500 species of flowering plants, out of which 400 species are endemic to the Western Ghats. The division is characterized by the presence of good population of tropical conifer species, Nagia valiciana, at 4 locations: Edathattu, Kannadipara, Kallar, and Pullumala. Mankulam Range are characterized by the presence of roosting site of critically endangered bat species, Latidens salimali. This forest area holds a good population of tigers, leopards, elephants, sambar, Nilgiri thar, Nilgiri marten, 190 species of birds, more than 300 species of butterflies, and around 120 odonate species. Elephants visit Anakulam River frequently and are monitored regularly. The congregation of elephants in Anakulam is a unique phenomenon and has not been reported anywhere else in Asia. There are 13 tribal settlements here, including Muduvans and Mannans. 5 settlements belong to Mannan tribe and 8 belong to Muduvan tribe, the original inhabitants of the area. They collect honey and other forest produce for their livelihood. Kainagiri waterfall is one of the waterfalls here with stunning scenic beauty. This marvelous sparkling cascade is a visual delight and a popular tourist destination of Mankulam. This waterfall flows throughout the year. The waterfall forms a pool at the bottom and is a safe spot for bathing. Tiger Cave is one of the popular ecotourism spots in Mankulam division. It was once said to be the den of wildcats. Tourists can trek along the riverside covered with reed forests to reach the Tiger Cave, experiencing the beauty of wilderness in every step. A small hanging bridge is built across the river to enhance the experience. This is an ideal spot for birdwatching too. Kainagiri waterfalls and the Tiger Cave are the main ecotourism attractions in Mankulam Reserve under the supervision of Kerala Forest Department and Mankulam Forest Development Agency, and the local communities are the beneficiaries. Participation of local communities for conservation initiatives and for their life sustenance makes the ecotourism project a cooperative effort. The tropical rainforests are unique in nature. Once cut down, they rarely recover. Rainfall drops, deserts spread, and the climate warms. As we know, we have limitations for reversing the damages caused by human interventions. Let us try our best to bring back the magical green cover of our forests. We can still work together to conserve nature for future generations.